Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time joining me, you are highly welcome. I do appreciate you coming by. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I cannot do without you. Thank you for always tagging along with me. Today I'll be showing you how I made these prawn crackers. As you can see, I use this prawn, the fresh one. I just cleaned them up. I use 100 grams of prawn and tapioca starch with salt to taste. Salt is optional. If you don't like it, that's okay. And water for boiling it. I'll be crushing the prawn with my crusher. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It has a long way encouraging me on what I'm doing. I will blend it into paste. As you can see, all blended. And I'll be pouring it into my mixing bowl. I crush all those prawn into paste. And now I'm adding my tapioca inside to mash two of them together or combine together, and I'm adding my salt. You need to add the salt to your own taste, so don't worry about how much and the quantity of what I added. It's up to you. You can choose to add or not to add. Now I'm mashing it into a ball. As you can see, I'll be dividing it into three, and I will mold it to how I want it to be. This molding part is just optional. Whatever you feel like doing, you can mold it, or you can roll it into a clean wrap or foil to boil it. As you can see, you can roll to the shape you want. That's okay. As you can see, I molded these three. And I put my water to boil. As you can see, it's boiling already. Always wait for it to boil before you add your dough or your ball dough inside, and allow it to cook for 10 to 20 minutes. I will cover it and let it cook. How you will know it's done, you will see it floating. When you see it floating and you see the color will change to beige, that means it's done. Now I will take it out to drain out the water. I'll be wrapping it with my foil because it's so hot. I cannot touch it. I cannot do anything with it now. So all I need to do is to wrap it up and let it cool off in my fridge for a few, like maybe 1 hour to 2 hours. As you can see, it's all ready. You can leave it overnight. The essence of it is to make it to firm up, to be strong before you start the cutting. You can see it's still soft, but I don't have option, and it's so sticky because it's sticking on my knife. So I decided to change to my scissors because it makes it easier for me to slice it into tiny pieces. If you can cut it a bit more tiny, that's fine. Now I'll be putting it on my dehydrator to let it dry up. You can leave it to dry up maybe for 1 day more. Yes, because if you want it to dry up very well, actually it's better to dry up very well, because that's the frying time will be so easy, and it's easy to pop when you're frying it. So I set my timer. I set my temperature to 70 degrees on my timer. My temperature to 70, and my timer was like 24 hours. As you can see, it's already dried. Now I'm taking it out to get ready to fry it. Yeah, this is so easy. You can do it. At least there is no any artificial thing or preservative. This is natural. I made it on my own. You can see it popping. This is the frying time. You can see it's popping up. Wow, you have to be fast. One thing I understand is that when it's frying and popping out like this, you need to reduce the heat and take it out quickly, or else it will start burning. As you can see, this is the second batch. All done. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.